Hello and welcome to another video by Affiliate Marketing Money. Today we're going to talk about how to start your YouTube channel and maximize its earning potential. We're going to help you get the most money you can out of your YouTube channel, so stay tuned until the end. This video is going to get a little long. Now, if you don't have a YouTube channel yet, the first step is to actually create your YouTube channel. You have to first create a Google account. You have to go into Google, create an account. I would suggest you create a business account if this is going to be made to create a channel to be monetized. Just follow the steps, fill out the information, click continue, and once you have your account, go to YouTube. Once you're in YouTube, you're going to click on the top right corner and you're going to create a channel. It's the first option. You're going to click get started. After that, you're going to select use a custom name because you're probably not going to make a channel about yourself, or you might name it something different than what your name is. But you're going to click I understand and create, right? So once you do all of these steps, you are finally going to have your own channel. Once you have your own channel, you have to select the niche and then create the art for the niche. Why do we want to select the niche? Because once we select the niche, we're gonna be able to select the theme of our art, right? So canva.com is a great tool for us to create our channel art. Why? Because it has a lot of templates, it has a lot of stuff that we could do and modify. We can pick it and modify it to fit our channel, right? So let's say I want to make a page about affiliate marketing that also has to do something with video games. So then I go over here and I change this things, the colors, etc., right? I change a few things and then I can just download that image and use it on my channel. Once we have done that, once we have our niche selected, and once we have our channel done with all of our art and everything, you can see in our channel we have our affiliate marketing art, we have all of our thumbnails, everything, right? So once we have all of that ready, it's time to start creating content. Now, how do we know what content to start creating? One of the tools we can use is the trending page on YouTube. YouTube has a trending page that will tell you what are the most watched videos at the moment. Why do we want to see this? Because then we know what people are searching and watching. We also have Google Trends. Google Trends will help you find out what people are searching for on Google all across the world, so you can actually find out what people are talking about. So you can use those two tools to find out what people are watching, what people are talking about, and then you can make a video about it. One of my suggestions and one of the niches that gets the most amount of views is list, top something list, like top 5, top 3, top 10, right? So in this case, I'm gonna type top 10 into YouTube, and we see that we get a lot of videos with a lot of views. One of the videos that we get is this top 10 Scary Montreal Urban Legends by a channel named Most Amazing Top 10. Most Amazing Top 10 has over 6 million subscribers. This last video they posted at the moment we made this video was 7 hours before we made it, and it already had 18,000 views. They're making somewhere in between $7.8 thousand and $124,000 a month, and they could even make up to $1.5 million within this year from YouTube alone. So how do we maximize our views? We actually find stuff that people want to watch. Now we have another example here. Aslan finds stuff that is trending. She finds stuff that's shocking and she just reacts to stuff. And if we go to Social Blade to check out her page, she has a lot of followers and she's making a lot of money, $50,000 to $814,000 a month. So she's making somewhere in between $425,000 a month just from YouTube, right? So we also have here, for example, top 10 Karens getting owned, right? We all love when Karens get owned, so this is definitely a video a lot of people are gonna want to watch, and we see it reflected on the number of views it has on August 6th. This video was filmed on August 6th, so it already has 15,000 views within the first day that it was posted. So we know that it's doing very well as far as views. It's probably doing very well as far as creating money for the channel person too. So that's a great thing. And if we go to Google Trends, we see that the name Karen is trending. So it's definitely a subject that people are looking for. So let's go to Social Blade and let's see how much money he's making. Once the web page is ready, we paste the link, we click search, and it tells us that that page is making in between $5,000 and $84,000 a month, and in between $63,000 and $1 million a year. So it's making a good amount of money. So it's definitely good to have a very high amount of traffic on your YouTube, if you could share our videos, that would be very great for us too. We would appreciate it very much. That's what we're trying to accomplish. Now, once you have your art and everything ready and you are ready to start getting views, you might also want to start looking into other ways to generate money through your YouTube channel, and this is through the tool of affiliate marketing. If you don't know about affiliate marketing yet, I'll summarize it very quick. Affiliate marketing is the ability to sell someone else's product and make a commission on that sell. So we have affiliate marketplaces like ClickBank, which is free to sign up, that have all of these products right here. This is just from the arts and entertainment category, and out of these products you can see all of the information they have on them about how well they're selling, how much money you can make if you sell one of them, etc. Right? So we're going to click on the first one, which is Piano for All. Piano for All is a webpage that sells a program to learn piano. They have an affiliates program. If you click on it, it'll give you some tools on strategies and other things to that will help you sell their program, right? So it's definitely worth checking out, because there are definitely a lot of things in here that could help you sell their program a little bit better, and it will help you make money. And we can see over here how much money we can make. We can make up to $27 per sell through ClickBank of Piano for All. Now, if we go back to YouTube and we search for Piano for All, we see that there are more than a few reviews for it. And if we click on this one, let's take a look at my journey with Piano for All. This one looks cool. This one right here, let's click on that one, right? So we click on that one. It says my journey with Piano for All, initial impressions, review, etc. So it's just a video of someone talking about their experience. It has over 24,000 views, and it has a link right there. If we click on the link, it sends us here. So even if 1% of the people who watched that video bought the program, he still made a really good amount of money. Now, if we go to his channel, we see his channel looks a little bit different than what his videos used to look before. If we go to Social Blade, we see that this person specifically is let's take a look here, is not making that much money. They're making between 59 cents and $9, and in between $7 and $115 a year, right, from YouTube views. So they definitely could make that better, getting some other type of content and monetizing their channel in order to increase those numbers and make more money through that. Not only affiliate marketing. Now we have other affiliate marketplaces like ShareASell. This webpage right here has a lot of really cool services that you can offer to other people, and if those people sign up, you could make money. So let's take a look at Redbubble right here. Let's click on this video right here by Vika. Vika has a good amount of subscribers, good amount of views, right? She is selling her own stuff through YouTube, her own merchandise. She's making between $44 and $712. That's an average of like $350 a month from YouTube, and for her age, she seems young. That's a very good amount of money. And then on top of that, she's selling her hoodies, she's selling her stuff on her own webpage, right? But if she's doing them on Redbubble, which she talks about on this video, she should be maybe also offering Redbubble through ShareASell. That way she could make money from her hoodies, she could make money from her YouTube channel, and she could be making money from the subscriptions to Redbubble that she could be selling through her YouTube channel through ShareASell, right? And they have a lot of products. They have Reebok, they have Just Style, they have a lot of brands and a lot of products that she could be offering right now and increasing her sales. Now you could make your own product too. There are several ways to publish your own book. You know, you could do stuff like that, write a book and then promote it, or you can maybe create an online course that you could be promoting. But all of these products are being able to sell right now because of COVID, because of people being stuck in their house. It's very easy to create your own webpage. You can go to ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels will help you create your own webpage, and actually they have their own affiliate program which you could join and actually start offering them. But that way you could create your own channel, you could create your own webpage, you could create your own product, you can search what's trending. You can combine all of these strategies into maximizing the amount of money you could earn on YouTube, right? So you can search for clothing, maybe you can start selling some kind of clothing articles through ShareASell because you know that it's trending. Maybe hand sanitizer, we know that it's spiked for a while out there because of the whole COVID thing that happened. So basically make sure that you use these tools and that you keep using them, because all of the recent trending stuff keeps changing day by day, right? So if you are creating content about these trending topics, or if you're selling stuff related to these trending topics, you could be selling a lot. Now remember that we also have affiliate programs from stores that we know physically, like Home Depot, Sears, Macy's, Apple Plus, Best Buy. You know, all of these stores have affiliate programs that you could join and actually start selling their products. So if you have products that you like from them, maybe you can start offering those and you can start making money that way. Now if you also want to take this seriously, I suggest that you sign up for this free masterclass from the Affiliates Club. The Affiliates Club is a private club for business owners and course creators and affiliate marketers in order to help each other increase their sales. Now Andy Isom is the person who gives this masterclass, and he's made over $40,000 just on affiliate marketing alone without investing anything last year. So learn from his mistakes, learn from his successes, and make sure you sign up to the Affiliates Club. Now we want to thank you very much for watching our videos. We hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give us a thumbs up. We very much appreciate it. And if you like our channel, please subscribe. We are constantly uploading videos on new ways to make money online. So if you like to make money, if you like to watch videos, subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you later.